Never fall in love.
I can't get it.
Enough of you.
Yeah, and don't mind us. We're just singing random songs because we're just listening to music, and I just thought of this funny idea. I can't get enough of you.
Alexa, call Osa Mobile.
Calling Osa's mobile.
She's asleep. It's too cold over here for her.
Hey, Thor.
Freeze.
No, I can't get enough of
Hey,
it.
what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Just got to pick up number 2.
Ugh. I was every time I talk to you, you're shitting.
Why? What's up?
Nothing. I'm just sad.
Just do it. It's not hard.